this decision of my life, I've realized that you're the reason why. And it's so clear to everyone that having you as my wife is a privilege and an honor that applies. So I take this oath of life for all eternity, and I pray to God that I would give all you need in sickness or in health. I wanna make you happy and be the one that you will always love. I pledge my life to you, and with you I feel complete. You're the other part of me. I pledge my life to you. From here to eternity, I will love you endlessly. From this day, I'm gonna be by your side, so we can build upon each other to strengthen both of our lives. And I'll be true, and I cannot lie. There'll be real good days, and there'll be some bad times. You're so beautiful, and I am overwhelmed by your smile, and the tears are falling down, emotions that I can't hide. All that I long to be with you will be complete. You're the sunrise and the sunset that I see. I pledge my life to you, and with you I feel complete. You're the other part of me. I pledge my life to you. From here to eternity, I will love